Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Interactive Brokers. First, you'll need an active Interactive Brokers account. Ensure your account is enabled for cryptocurrency trading, which might require specific permissions or a separate application. We'll cover the steps to navigate their platform, locate XRP, and execute a trade. It's important to be aware of the associated fees and the current market conditions for XRP. Let's get started with the initial setup. To begin, if you don't already have one, open an Interactive Brokers account. The process involves providing personal information and completing identity verification, which is crucial for security. Once your account is approved, you'll need to fund it. You can typically do this via a bank wire transfer, ACH deposit, or other supported methods. Make sure you have sufficient funds to cover your desired XRP purchase and any associated trading fees. This step is vital before you can place any orders. Now, let's place your trade. Log into your Interactive Brokers trading platform, whether it's Trader Workstation or the mobile app. Use the search function to find XRP. You'll then need to select your desired order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to buy, review all the details carefully, and then submit your order. Congratulations, you've just bought XRP. Before we wrap up, remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and investing in XRP carries inherent risks. Always conduct your own research and consider your risk tolerance. Interactive Brokers has a clear fee structure for crypto trades, so familiarize yourself with those costs to avoid surprises. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.